What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can remove taxes and shipping calculated at checkout. Now this is very easy and quick. The first thing you need to do, guys, let's start with removing taxes from your Shopify. Now you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on where it says taxes and .ts. I hope I pronounced it correctly. Okay, taxes and .ts. You want to scroll down a little bit, and as you can see, it says here include tax in prices. You want to uncheck it like this, and then you want to click on save in the top right. Now you have successfully removed taxes. Now let's remove shipping calculated at checkout. You want to click on online store. As you can see, scroll down a little bit, click on these three little dots or actions or whatever you see there. So for me it says here three little dots. You want to click on them, and then you want to click on edit default theme content, and after that, guys, you want to search in the top here for shipping calculated. In the top, shipping calculated, and this is what your buyer sees whenever they try to buy your item. Tax included and shipping calculated at checkout. You want to change this to free shipping worldwide. Copy this and then paste it here again, and then you want to click on save in the top right, and that's it. You have successfully remove taxes and shipping calculated on Shopify. If this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Watch the video on the screen to learn more about Shopify. The video on the screen is going to help you a lot if you are starting this business on Shopify. See you guys in the next video.